Ever wonder why your competitor's phone never stops ringing while yours stays silent? It's not luck, it's Google. When someone searches for a term like landscaper near me or plumber in your city, Google has to decide who shows up first, and that decision can make or break a service company. Here's the good news. Ranking on Google isn't random. There's three main things that Google's looking at when it comes to service companies. Number one, relevance. Google wants to show users exactly what they're searching for. So if your company doesn't have all of the services that you offer listed on the website, or if they're outdated, then it doesn't give Google the right indication that you're the website to show up first. Number two is trust. This comes from things like Google reviews, backlinks, or people talking about your company online. Think of it like word of mouth, but online. Number three, location. Google is going to use your business address and your service area to figure out if you're the closest one to the person that's looking for that service. If your Google business profile, also known as Google My Business, isn't set up correctly, you might be the closest to that person looking, but you're not going to show up. If you're missing just one of these, relevance, trust, or location, your competitors are going to continue to show up ahead of you on Google. Fixing this stuff, it can take a little bit of time, but once it's dialed in, you can compete with anyone. Ranking higher isn't about tricks. It's about giving Google exactly what it needs so your ideal customers can find you first.